Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Rolling in an air temperature coming in at 78 degrees with a dew point value coming in at 76. It's a nice start to the day, although just a little on the muggy side perhaps. Already an air temperature, feels like heat index air temperature of 81 degrees. The actual air temperature is 78 as I mentioned. Calm winds right now causing showers that have developed out in the Gulf to move very slowly. As we head through the morning, we'll start to develop more of a westerly wind flow. It's a kind of a deep layer westerly wind flow that will develop, and that'll produce some showers. By around, I'd say noontime will be our best chance of rainfall. As we progress through the morning, our rain chances start to increase. As we get into the noontime hour, they'll max out, but only at about 20% along the coastline. Inland, your rain chances are going to be better, and those rain chances inland will start to go up as the coastal rain chances begin to decrease around 3 o'clock or so, 3 to 5 o'clock. Inland, you're going to see a rain chance probably of about 50%. And then all of that continues to move eastward toward the other coast, and we all dry out inland and near the coast by around 7 p.m. this evening. So you see the scattered showers that are around. I mean, they're certainly fairly widespread. They're just not all that strong and not all that concentrated. They're just kind of out there in Gulf waters. They're near shore. They're up and down along the coast. The highest concentration is down to the south around Fort Myers. Otherwise, looking pretty quiet right now for your morning commute. Everything's kind of out there in the Gulf, raining itself out. As we head through the afternoon, we'll start to see the sea breeze begin to build, kind of undercutting the general northeasterly flow that we have aloft that's producing these high feathery clouds and lightweight clouds. Nothing here that's really going to prevent us from getting much in the way of an obscured sky. We're going to get sunshine today, and the sunshine will help boost our temperatures and start to get a sea breeze that'll be reinforced generally by a westerly wind flow pushing everything toward the other coast. You'll notice this kind of line of clouds, this higher concentration of cloud cover in the center part of the country, east coast. That is a little trough of low pressure that's beginning to develop, which will sink south, sag south actually. A surface reflection, upper level reflection of a surface trough, this little frontal boundary that'll be sinking south, triggering off showers and increasing our rain chances a little bit as well. Right now it's giving us this nice westerly wind flow, which will continue throughout the next couple of days, I think. High pressure will be the dominant feature. However, what it will do, I think, is kind of concentrate moisture a little bit in North Florida and north central Florida and up our rain chances a bit as this kind of little moisture slug sinks southward. For the next couple of days, I think our rain chances are going to really maximize and concentrate in inland areas, and then those showers will kind of drift toward the other coast. So the East Coast, I think, will be a favored location for seeing some of the stronger storms over the next several days. Less than average rainfall, we'll call it, with that westerly wind developing, and then the best chance of rainfall inland. The futurecast shows those few showers near the coast building into inland areas later in the morning, and early afternoon, and then everything kind of drifts off toward the other coast with time. Now, here's why I think our rain chances might be going up midweek. Remember, this is the amount of moisture that's available for rainfall, and on this graphic, redder is wetter. And we have some redder contours to the north of us, some deeper moisture there. As we progress through time, this kind of rotates southward just a little bit. And so we start to increase the amount of moisture that's over us as we head into Thursday, Friday. And so I think our rain chances are going to kind of spike up at that point. Just as we had some drier air filter in for Sunday, today we're also going to be kind of on the dry side. We wait for that moisture to arrive later midweek. 10-knot wind for boaters should be okay. There'll be some scattered showers out there for the first half of the day. That'll move inland in the second half of the day, providing you with some pretty nice boating weather. Tuesday and Wednesday will hold the rain chance at about 40%. Again, mostly during the coastline in the morning, followed by inland showers in the afternoon. I think by Thursday and Friday we can up our rain chances fairly significantly as that moisture begins to sink southward. And then as we head into the weekend, kind of a standard 40 to 50% chance of rainfall should do it.